Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to share one of the latest Google Meet updates, which is the Jamboard integration. So here's how it works. You click on the three dots at the bottom and you're going to see this open a Jamboard. And you have two choices. You can open a BlanK Jamboard, or if you have one already in Drive, you can do that. For these purposes, I'm going to go ahead and open a new whiteboard. It's going to go ahead and create that jam in the background. And here's the cool part. You get a pop-up and it will ask for your sharing settings for anybody already in your Meet. So you can share it with your person. If it is going to be a collaborative, like check for understanding, brainstorming that you might do with your students, make sure you give them edit rights. And if I click send, I'll show you what happens to my meeting participant. The jam opens up on my screen, but they get this little pop-up in the chat with the link. So if they open up the chat, click on the link. Now their Google Jamboard opens up and you have a collaborative space to go ahead and work together and generate ideas. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this new integration in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.